Hello, everybody. Welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, you guys. Turn on your post notifications and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so today we're going to be baking some chicken Caesar salads. We're going to grill this chicken on the indoor Shaq Grill. Okay, so first things first, we do need a glass of wine. I always cook with a glass of wine. It's my peace time. I enjoy it. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. So of course I have preheated my grill to 350 degrees, seasoned my chicken, put some butter on. I'm gonna add more butter. Add as much butter as you want. Use some non-stick cooking spray, olive oil, doesn't matter. Use whatever you want because it's your grill. Okay, so now that my butter is all melted, I am going to go ahead and lay my seasoned chicken breast onto the grill. I'm going to get as many as I can on here. Okay, and this is the rest of the marinade that the chicken was sitting in. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour that on top and close the grill and let it cook. Okay, so after 7 minutes of cooking time, I am going to go ahead and flip them over to give them some even cooking on both sides. Okay, so now that they are all done cooking, I am going to go ahead and just add some sliced zucchini on top and some onions because I am going to use these to add to my salad. Yeah, I did only let the zucchini and onions cook until they pretty much just got a little warm, so just about 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the chicken from the grill and add it to a cutting board. And I know y'all can't see, so of course, let me go ahead and move this grill back a bit and scoot this cutting board over. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my chicken just to prepare it to be laid on the top of my salad. I'm giving these pieces to my daughter that's on the end. They are my little testers. They're so honest. They'll tell me if it's good or not. You just seen them just run away so quickly past the camera. So I'm slicing the rest up because they said we are good to go. So we're going to go ahead and just slice up the rest of this chicken. I am going to speed the rest of this up just for the second time. Again, I hate really long videos. Okay, so I am bringing my salad to the front here. It's just some spinach, some zucchini, cucumbers, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, the works, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and add this Caesar dressing to it. This one is actually my daughter's salad because I kind of ate my salad plain with no dressing. And here we are. And this is my very plain salad with no dressing because it was good without it. Okay, that's the end of my video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I do thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with a friend. See you next time.